Condensation occurs when the surface temperature of a material in your plant is below the dew point temperature of the air in contact with the material. The vapor in the air that causes condensation can enter a room in many different manners, disrupting the atmospheric balance of the entire area. There are three primary causes of condensation in a food processing facility. A problem with a room's vapor barrier exists when condensation occurs through pinhole-size openings in a room's walls and ceilings. If a hole exists in a vapor barrier, any vapor pressure difference between the inside and the outside forces vapor through the hole. To fix this, the holes must be sealed on the warm side with a true vapor barrier product. Condensation can occur when humid air is drawn into a room through openings, such as doors, and condenses when it reaches the colder room. This condensation can form as moisture on the walls and ceiling or as fog in the room. To solve this, the airflow in the entire facility must be accounted for by investigating the airflow balance. Condensation can also occur when moisture is produced in the room by equipment or open product cooling. The moisture evaporated from the product or released by the process raises the room's relative humidity, thus creating vapor that is prone to condense. If the problem is caused by open product cooling, then dehumidifying the room with a desiccant dryer or ventilation with outside air may solve the problem. If equipment exhaust is venting to the room, then providing an exhaust hood or otherwise venting this source to the outside while providing adequate makeup air should solve the problem. If you have additional questions about condensation problems or other issues, Foth can help you make the right decisions. After all, we've been helping food facilities plan for the future for more than 70 years.